So let's move on to the next question, guys. In this question, we are given that there are a total of 6 machines which are working together, which can do a work in 12 days, right? So how many more machines are needed to do the same work in 8 days? So one thing should be very clear, that in both the cases, the amount of work is same, right? So obviously the amount of work is equals to the amount of work, right? So I think this should be very clear that in both the cases, so in the first case, there are 6 machines which takes 12 days to do a piece of work. And in the next case, we want to do the work in less days. So obviously more machines will be required. Earlier it was taking 12 days, now it's taking 8 days, right? So if we are able to do the task quickly, so obviously more machines are required, right? So we have to tell how many more machines are required, right? Okay. Now tell me one thing. Initially 6 machines were working and total 12 days were being taken, right? So you can say that 6 into 12 was the total kind of amount of work which was being done, because 6 machines were working for 12 days, right? So total this much work was being done, right? And we know work is same in both the cases. So work initially is equals to the work later also. So let's suppose afterwards we have some X more machines, right? Initially there were 6 machines. Let's suppose we added X more machines. So total how many machines are there now? X plus 6, right? Initially there were 6 machines. Afterwards we added X more machines. So now total we have X plus 6 machines, right? And we want to complete the same work. So same work means equals to. Because the work is same in both the cases, that is why we are making both of them equal. And now we want to complete that task in 8 days, right? So into 8. So earlier the task was being completed in 12 days, now it is being completed in 8 days. Earlier there were 6 machines, right now there are X plus 6 machines. So the total amount of work is same in both the cases. So I hope this equation is clear to you, right? Now this is simple. So 6 tells us 72 is equals to X plus 6 into 8. So this becomes 9. So X plus 6 is equals to 9. So X is equals to 3. Right? So this means 3 more machines are needed to do the exact same work in 8 days instead of 12 days. So I hope this should be absolutely clear.